Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you some delicious on-the-go healthy lunches that I have been loving lately, and I know you're going to love them as well. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go ahead and get right in. So the first thing we're making is this lemon mint salad. I'm starting off with butter lettuce. I find butter lettuce has a lot more flavor than your traditional romaine, but you can definitely use your favorite type. I'm adding in some cucumber, which is incredibly hydrating, so it's going to help your skin. It got some tomatoes. Tomatoes are full of antioxidants, full of lycopene. Some meatballs that I made from turkey, but you can use whatever kind that you like, or just any kind of protein. So whatever protein you've prepped that week, I can use chicken sometimes or tofu, whatever you like. Half of an avocado for some healthy fats, because we definitely want healthy fats and protein at every meal. Healthy fats really help to not only keep you full, but they help with your blood sugar, so they help with any kind of hangriness, or they help to prevent that. Some mint, which is really good for digestion, especially fresh mint, and fresh herbs in general are just very delicious. And then I'm adding in half of a lemon that I'm going to squeeze over top once I get to clinic. And this salad is just so fresh and delicious. It's perfect going into the springtime. Next up, we're making a salmon tahini bowl. So I'm starting off with some asparagus, which is great for your gut because it's actually a prebiotic. I'm seasoning it with this Trader Joe's umami seasoning, but you can use whatever kind that you like. And then once the asparagus is done, about after 3 minutes, I'm cooking the salmon. And I like to cook my salmon on a pan on medium heat for about 3 minutes per side. And while that's cooking, I took some frozen cauliflower that had been thawed out, which is a great hack to use because a lot of frozen vegetables, if you just let them thaw, they're actually cooked al dente. I'm making a little sauce for the side with 1 tablespoon tahini and half a juice of a lemon. So you got the wonderful healthy fats from the salmon that are so good for your gut health, good for your brain. Salmon is definitely a brain food, so this is going to be good for you to have for lunch. Drizzle the tahini on top. We've got the asparagus, which is in season, and some wonderful cauliflower. It's just so good. And one of my tried and true things that I make for so many lunches and also so many dinners is my egg roll in a bowl. But I need to show you guys because it's just so delicious. Again, I start with avocado oil, some ginger, and some garlic, and I saute this in a pan. And the great thing about this is that it comes together really quick. I just buy a ready mixed slaw, and I add some lime on the top, and then you just add your favorite protein. So this is also something that I meal prep in advance because it's not a fresh salad, so we don't have to worry about anything wilting. We are cooking the slaw. I add a little bit of coconut aminos, which is a great way to kind of get that Asian style flavor without any of the harmful stuff in it because it's made from coconuts and it's lower in sodium. So I'm adding in some chicken, but you could add in turkey, you could add in eggs, you could add in tofu. You could even add in a handful of nuts here as well. So once that's done, just putting that into my container, and I'm adding some green onion on the top, but that's totally optional. I kind of just like to throw in whatever kind of fresh herbs I have in my fridge. A sprinkle of sesame seeds, but you could do hemp seeds or, like I said, any kind of nut. And this is a great thing to prep in advance. Easy to eat on the go, but full of nice, nutritious veggies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and let me know down below what videos you want to see from me so I can make those for you. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.